one of the posters that we presented at this meeting was a phase 1b study of KRD, so carfilzomib, lenalidomide, and dexamethasone. So carfilzomib, lenalidomide, and dexamethasone has become one of the staple combinations used in the treatment of multiple myeloma, from newly diagnosed patients to multiply relapsed patients. One of the issues that has always existed with carfilzomib is that it is used twice weekly. So it's like Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, and then a week off. And for patients, that's very demanding. For the infrastructure, it's very demanding. There have been recent studies that have looked at once-weekly carfilzomib administration, just carfilzomib and dexamethasone once weekly compared to carfilzomib and dexamethasone twice weekly. And those trials, perhaps surprisingly, showed that once weekly carfilzomib and dexamethasone was not only just as effective but less toxic than the twice weekly administration. So there's been much enthusiasm about once weekly administration. However, carfilzomib's most common partner is Revlimid, and that has not been that combination with once weekly carfilzomib, Revlimid, and dexamethasone has not been explored as of yet. So this is an abstract looking at that once weekly version of this very popular KRD combination. And what this shows is that, perhaps as expected, it is very effective, it is fairly well tolerated, and I think we're going to see much migration from twice weekly KRD towards once weekly KRD as this database gets larger. The answer is yes. There's toxicities associated with carfilzomib, there's toxicities associated with Revlimid, and there's toxicities associated with dexamethasone. I think the important point here is that there were no new toxicities. It wasn't that giving a bigger dose once a week versus a smaller dose twice a week, that there was not any new signal that would make us feel that this was going to be an unmanageable approach.